Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for educational and learning tools business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to start sign up for free. So you can get started free, so let's get started. Okay, so now it will take you to the dashboard. Now just wait a few seconds. Okay, so click here, set up your website and it's your prompt. Now it will take you to the editor page. So here we're gonna edit your homepage website. So first click on the settings and go to the templates, and now select the templates you want to use. So for the educational and learning tools, it might be this one for the online school. So it might be, so if he doesn't if the topic isn't here, you can just use this one here. Okay, so you can use this one and design it as you like. So it depends on your business and on your products or your services or your goal. Now let's move on. So the header, first you have to change the header and the menu. So you have to change everything in this section here. So go to site logo and change the text. Okay, change the site name. After this, you have to manage the navigation menu, so you have to change all these menu items here. Now you have to enter here the contact information and the social profiles, the design. So you can choose, for example, this one here, it's attractive. So the design of any section, you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive, so anyone can visit your sites and attract to your business. So make sure don't forget the simple details, okay, like the font and like the size, the color. Okay, all this simple stuff is more important to make your site looks attractive. Now let's move on, let's go back to the next section. Let's move on to the next section, the cover and the headline. So here you have to add the tagline, you have to change the title and attractive description. For example, you can introduce your brand to your customers. Welcome to our site for educational and learning tools business. Okay, just a simply like this. Of course, you have to change the image, so go to the browser and search on educational and learning tools like this one. Go. So I need just a simple image. Okay, so for example, I don't know, um, I think okay, I think I'm gonna choose this one here. Okay, so after this, you have to go back to the design and choose your favorite layout. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. So you have to change the background color and the title, the description. Okay, I'm gonna change the title color, and after this the description, I'm gonna change the size. Okay, so as I said, don't forget the simple details, it's important. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the store. So here in this store you have to create your product. So to do that, you can manage products here. Okay, or wait a few seconds, or just go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. Now as you see, click new products. Okay, now add the product of your gallery. Add the product gallery here, take a picture of your product, the name of your products, the REF, the weight on kilogram, and also you can customize here the prices options. And don't forget the description of your product. So after this, just save this section here and go back to the editor, complete here the design, and complete the design of the background and the title and the product name, the product image, and the product price. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, this description here, you have to change it, of course. You can talk about your company or your services and what makes them unique, and why should your customers use your services. So that's it. And the design also shows your favorite layouts and the background. You can change the color if you want, the title, and also the description. So that's it. Now let's go back and now let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, of course you have to change this image. um, okay, I'm gonna choose this one here. So go back and change the image. Okay, so of course you have to change the description and the title, and the same thing here. So that's it. The same thing in this section, nothing special, so I'm gonna skip it. Okay, now let's move on to the customer reviews. So if you want to add the review text, click here, you can add the review text and the author name, and also you can add the image. So that's it. The design also shows your favorite design here, nothing special. Now let's move on to the next section, the image. So here you have to add the tagline and the title and attractive description that match the title. After this, add the image so from the browser. Now let's go back and let's move on now to the contacts. So change the title, change the description. Also here you have to add your business address. Okay, add the hours, the daily hours of your business or your company. Now you have to enter here the contact information, and also you have to enter the social profiles. Okay, that's it. In the design, I rather to choose this one here of the map in the background. It's attractive for me. So that's it. So now let's go back. The last section here, the future section. So you have to enter here your company name for the copyright. Okay. So that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just click here. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So if you're done from designing your homepage website, you can just publish your website. Okay, and it will be published. Now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.